Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a brand new Apple ID, whether you're on iPhone, Mac, Windows, or even just using a browser. First, you'll need to access the Apple sign-in page. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, you can tap Forgot Password or don't have an account during setup. Or open the App Store, tap your profile, and choose Create New Apple Account. On a Mac, head to the Apple menu, open System Settings, and click Sign In from the sidebar, then select Don't Have an Account. If you're on Windows, open iTunes, Apple Music, or Apple TV, and follow the sign-in prompt to create a new account. And if you're on the web, just visit account.apple.com and click Create Your Apple Account. Once you're on the page, select Don't Have an Apple ID, and start filling in your details. You'll need to enter your full name, date of birth, a valid email, and create a strong password. Next, Apple will send a verification code to your phone number. You can use your own number or an alternative one. After that, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions, yes, the really long ones. Once you hit agree, you'll see a screen that says signing in. And finally, don't forget to verify your email address. Apple will send you an email. Just click the link inside to complete your account setup, and that's it. Now got a new Apple ID ready to use across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.